Hi, Dan at Rad. Have you ever pissed off the bird gods and they let you know it? By leaving nice little treasures all over your beautiful car? Have those beautiful treasures ever etched the clear coat and left a stain like this on your car? And you've always wondered, wow, how am I going to get that out? Well, I think I have the solution. This is our new metal polish that we're selling here. We're going to see if it'll work on this. Let's hope. Just take a little bit, stick it on a rag, and you're just going to buff it out. Just like any other paste, a wax, polish of any kind. Get some good elbow grease into it. May have to do this a couple times because this stain was very deep into the clear coat. Bird crap has a lot of acid in it, and it will eat through paint pretty easily. Alright, so I'm just going to keep buffing this until we get a nice haze on it. And it looks like it's working, but I may have to do a couple more times. Wipe it all off and see what we get. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's a definite improvement. So we're going to try again. Of course, if you had a buffer or something, this might go a little faster, but I don't like buffers because they fling product all over your car and then you end up having to rewash your whole car. So I'm going old school, just doing it by hand. Oh, yep, a little bit better. See it? It's almost gone. So, if you have a car that's been hit by birds, you want to fight back, buy some of this stuff, get rid of those spots. Thanks. That's Rad.